Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we have something fantastic to talk about: the Stylus Pen for iPad 9th and 10th generation by ZXA. If you own an iPad from the 9th or 10th generation, or even the latest iPad Air or iPad Pro, you're in for a treat. This Stylus Pen is designed to take your iPad experience to a whole new level. First things first, let's talk compatibility. This stylus is your perfect match if you own an iPad from the 9th, 8th, 7th, 6th generation. Or any of the newer models like the iPad Air 5 or iPad Pro 11 and 12.9 inches. Now, here's where it gets exciting: the fast charging capability. In just 15 minutes, you get a full charge that powers this stylus for a whopping 10 hours. That's 4 times faster than many other iPad pencils out there. Using this stylus is a breeze. No Bluetooth pairing or special apps needed. Simply long press the top to power it on, and a quick double tap turns it off. It's as easy as that. But wait, there's more. Say goodbye to accidental touches on your iPad screen. This stylus features palm rejection technology, ensuring your writing or drawing experience is precise and natural. Plus, it magnetically attaches to the side of your iPad, so you'll never lose it. Artists and creators, you'll love the tilt function. While not pressure sensitive, this stylus allows you to create different stroke thicknesses and depths by simply altering the inclination of the pen tip. It's perfect for unleashing your creativity. And guess what? It comes with 4 extra tips: a dust cover for the charging port, a charging cord, and a sturdy carrying box. It's all about convenience and durability. Wondering if it's compatible with your iPad? If your iPad model is on this list, you're good to go. That's a wrap for our review of the ZXA Stylus Pen for iPad 9th and 10th generation. It's the perfect accessory for your iPad, whether you're an artist, note-taker, or just looking to elevate your iPad experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic tech reviews and insights. Got questions or want to share your thoughts? Leave us a comment down below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep creating and exploring with your iPad and the ZXA Stylus Pen.